Dear students, in this lecture we will discuss about how can we represent any positive real number on the number line. We describe this concept with an example. First we describe how can we define square root 3.5 on the number line. Dear student, first we draw a line segment AB. The length of AB is 3.5 units. We draw 1 unit length from B to C, which represent 1 unit. Now we have to find perpendicular bisector of AC. Suppose that the perpendicular bisector cut AC at a point O. Suppose that this point is O. Now we have to take OA as a radius and O is a center. We have to draw a semicircle on this line segment. Now we draw the perpendicular on the point B. Suppose that this perpendicular line cut this semicircle at a point D. The distance BD represent square root 3.5. Now we extend the distance BC. Suppose that B is the origin, B is the initial point, and we have to define one unit length on this line, which is starting from B. Now we have to take B as a center in our compass. We put the needle of compass on this point B. We have to take a radius BD and cut an arc which cut the line at a point E. The point E represent square root 3.5 and BE represent square root 1.5 on the real number line. This is the concept to derive a real number on the number line. In this section, we will describe the journal form of this type of number. How can we describe the journal form of this type of number? Dear students, let us take the distance 3.5 is x. The distance BC is equal to 1 unit. Now the distance between AB is equal to x unit, AC is equal to x plus 1 unit, and BC is equal to 1 unit. It is clear here. The perpendicular bisector of AC cut the line segment AC at a point O. The distance between AO is equal to x plus 1 by 2, because this represent the half of AC, means AO is equal to x plus 1 by 2, OC represent x plus 1 by 2, When we join the point O to D, OD represent x plus 1 by 2. It is clear here? Now, we define the line segment BD with the help of Pythagoras theorem. See here, OBD represent a right angled triangle. Now we apply Pythagoras theorem on this right angled triangle. We know that the square of hypotenuse is equal to square of perpendicular plus square of base. Let us define this value here. In triangle, we want to represent on the number line square root x. In triangle OBD, by Pythagoras theorem, we know that OD square is equal to OB square plus BD square. We find the value of BD square is equal to OD square minus OB square. Let us consider the value of OB. See here, OB is equal to OC minus BC. The value of OC is equal to x plus 1 by 2 minus 1. The value of BC is 1 unit. Let us solve this value. X plus 1 minus 2 upon 2 is equal to x plus 1 minus 2 is equal to minus 1 upon 2. X minus 1 upon 2. This value represents x minus 1 upon 2. Now, put these two values here. We get x plus 1 by 2 whole square minus x minus 1 by 2 whole square. We know an identity x plus y into x minus y is equal to x square minus y square. We split this value in this form. We have to get x plus 1 by 2 plus x minus 1 by 2 into x minus y means x plus 1 by 2 minus x minus 1 by 2. It is clear here? Now, we solve it. See, in first factor x plus 1 by 2 plus x minus 1 by 2 क्या होगा यहाँ पर? डिनोमिनेटर क्या है? The denominator is same. So, numerator we add x plus x 2x 1 cancel 2x upon 2 into here also denominator same. X plus 1 minus x minus multiply plus 1 plus 1 2 by 2 is equal to 2 cancel. Here we get x. OD square is equal to x, then OD is equal to square root x. Sorry, BD square है. BD square is equal to x, then BD is equal to square root x. Now we know how can we define this value. We have to draw an arc which cut the line at a point E. This point E represent square root E on the number line and BE represent square root x. It is very simple. In this way we will describe all the positive real number on the number line.